I'm a rambler, I'm a gambler, I'm a long way from home. I'm a poor boy in trouble, and a range is my home. Oh Mary, for your sake alone, I left my dear parents, my house and my home. Jack of diamonds, I've known you of old. You robbed my poor pockets of silver and gold. Well, your parents don't like me, they say I'm too poor, they say I'm not worthy to enter your door. Well, they say I drink whiskey, but my money's my own, and them that don't like me can't leave me alone. Jack of diamonds, I've known you of old. You robbed my poor pockets of silver and gold. I'll eat when I'm hungry, I'll drink when I'm dry, I'll do as I please and I'll live till I die. Beefsteak when I'm hungry, whiskey when I'm dry, greenbacks when I'm hard up in heaven when I die. Jack of diamonds, I've known you of old. You robbed my poor pockets of silver and gold. Well, my foot's in my stirrup, my bridle in hand. I'm gonna leave Sally, the fairest in the land. Oh, whiskey, you villain, you've been my downfall. You've kicked me and cuffed me, but I love you for all. Jack of diamonds, I've known you of old. You robbed my poor pockets of silver and gold. Oh, whiskey, you villain, you've been my downfall. You've kicked me and cuffed me, but I love you for all. Rye whiskey, I cry. If I don't get rye whiskey, I surely may die. Jack of diamonds, I've known you of old. You robbed my poor pockets of silver and gold. If the river was whiskey and I was a duck, well, I'd dive to the bottom and never come up. But the river ain't whiskey, look at me, I'm no duck. So I'll play these drunkard hiccups and trust to my luck. Jack of diamonds, I've known you of old. You robbed my poor pockets of silver and gold. Look out, here comes some hiccups.